lulutuin ko ngayon. Dadalhin ko mamaya sa dinner namin. Gusto ko magawa ng butter garlic shrimp. Pero hindi pa ako sure kung masarap ba. Sana lang. Kasi sayang naman. So, according sa nakita ko na recipe, lagyan nyo ng butter. Ayan. Patanawin lang natin. Tapos, lagyan natin ng garlic. Ano pa? Paprika. At saka, yun lang ata. Tingnan na lang natin kung anong resulta. Hopefully, masarap siya kasi sayang naman. Hello, palpak yung ginawa kong kutsenta. Tama naman yung recipe na ginamit ko, same pa rin before. Pero yung resulta is iba. At saka nalaman ko na yung bago kong lye water na ginamit is iba siya, ibang brand. So yun pala ang reason kung bakit. Ayan. Palpak. Nakakainis. Ay. Alright, let's go warm up the car. Ay. Magpainit muna kami ng sasakyan kasi malamig. Ay! Easy, Mango! Ay, akala talaga niya na sasama siya eh. No, you're not coming. Akala niya sasama siya. You're not coming with Mama. You're staying home, right? You're staying home, okay? Akala niya sasama talaga siya sa akin. You stay. Oh, come on, let's go back inside. Akala niya sasama talaga siya sa akin. Yung asawa ko kasi, nagpunta ng store, hindi pa nakauwi. So, come on, let's go. Let's go back inside, come on. Ayaw na. Oh my God, it's calling you. Come on. Come on, let's go back inside, come on. Come on. Let's go. Ay! Come on, let's go back inside now, come on. Ay! Be good girl, Mango girl. Come on. Oh my God. Come on, let's go back inside. Come on, let's go back inside. Come on. Oh my God. Mango, be good girl. Nanganginig na sa lamig. Ayaw pa rin pumasok. Come on, let's go back inside. Come on. Daddy is coming. Come on. Come on. Oh Lord. It's alright. Come on. Come on. Daddy. Come on. Ay. Na-spoiled talaga itong aso na to. Na sobrang spoiled. Ang lamig pa naman. Wala akong jacket. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's... Oh my God. Come on, let's go back inside. First time ito nagdadrama. Come on. Come on. Ayaw talaga niyang lumabas. And come on. Be good girl now, Mango. Oh, stop. Oh. I didn't. Ay, kailangan ko pang pilitin. Let's go back inside. It's cold. Nagsishake na nga siya eh. Ay. It's okay. It's alright. Ay. Pagka-spoiled. Spoiled. Ano ito? Ano yun? Ito ate?
Chapsuy.
Chapsuy.
Semi chapsuy kasi hindi kumpleto.
At saka ito yung
Just semi chapsuy kasi
salad.
wala akong nabiling atay kasi nung nagpunta ko sa food line.
Ano to, Lods?
Ang lamig lang eh. Uwi na ako.
I don't know what is it. It's kind of like a
Dessert.
something dessert. And this one is, what is it? What is it, Ella? Meringue? And this is a pancit. And some ham.
What you gonna do?
Ano bang ginawa mo, Lods?
Lods!
Sayang naman yung presentation natin. Hindi pa nga ako nakapag-vlog. Ayam tuloy na sunog.
Pag wala, nagkakahiya naman yun. May take two pa tayo, Lods.
Sayang naman ito, Lods. Maganda sana yung kanina kasi ang kinis. Ako, ano ba talagang iniisip mo? Andito pa naman kami. Yun lang ang pinuntahan namin.
Nahiya tuloy ako kasi...
And this is our pork belly lechon. It was looking good earlier, but for some reason, someone forgot to turn it off. But it still looks good. Yeah. And this is the shrimp, buttered shrimp. And this is the what is it? Cochinta.
Oh, thank you, Ate. Oh, thank you.
It smells good. Did you taste it? Not yet. Anybody eat oyster? It's just you and me? Thank you din, Ate. Thank you for the gift. Thank you.
Sino mo na mag-open? Ay, hindi na kami. 20% iwas, $100. So, ang sayo now.
If I deliver it to you, it's gonna be $70.
Yeah, there you go.
Hi, Lods. Kakauwi pa lang namin galing sa Christmas dinner ng friends ko. So, marami tayong na Sharon. Yun lang. Yung leche flan. Meron pang papaya salad. May pancit. Tsaka may ham. Yan. Uso ngayon dito ang ano, guys. Pa-Sharon. Ito, ano ba ito? Ah, ito yung ano, ano ba ito? Maha Blanca. Thank you, Lods. At saka yung pandesal. Thank you so much, guys. At saka may sobra pa akong shrimp for tomorrow. And of course, nakabudol pa tayo ng ano, lye water. Thank you. Thank you, Lods. At saka, of course, yung cup. Cheers. May tubig, may laman pa. Late na kami nakauwi kasi ano, busy pa nagchismisan. Yan, ito yung, meron na tayong panghanda for Christmas bukas. Yan. At saka, meron akong, natanggap ko yung package ko from Amazon. Ayan. Pang ano ito, takip sa Osmo. Sa ulo ng Osmo para hindi masira. Sayang kasi guys kung walang protection kasi. Nako, paano na lang. Ayan. Buksan mo lang yan. Ayan. Hindi ko yan mailagay kasi ginagamit ko ngayon. Ayan. So, that's it for today.